is Kevin Falvey. I'm editor-in-chief of Boating Magazine. We're here today for a very special reason. 23 years ago, David Seidman, former editor of Boating Magazine, drew a line in the sand and started a thing called the Bermuda Challenge, the non-stop race from New York to Bermuda. And he put some limits on it. It was supposed to be small boats, those boats 40 feet and less, boats accessible to, quote-unquote, the average man. And the idea was to stretch the limits and the technology of the boats, the efficiency and the dependability of the engines, and the robustness of the systems aboard those boats, and most importantly, to test the character and the determination of the people who would pilot these boats, equipped with these motors, these systems, from Lady Liberty to Gates Fort. I'm very proud today to say that Fertig and Tyson Garvin are two-time winners of the Bermuda Challenge trophy. August 22nd of this last year, they made it from New York to Bermuda 15 hours and 48 minutes aboard their Skater 399. Both performed flawlessly. What you need to know is mid-ocean, middle of the night, these guys had to change a prop. No problem. This was all live via our website and streamed thanks to the courtesy of people at Digicom and Mask Shipping, ZF Marine, Simrad, Marlink and Inmarsat, AWT, Apex,
Skater Power.
and Skater, I said that, Skater 399, and Skater Powerboats Douglas Marine. These guys, probably the most important thing that got them from New York to Bermuda was their character. All right, these guys, you know, they hung in there, they did what they had to do, they had breakdowns, they fixed it, and they blew away the old record. Chris, Tyson, congratulations. Thank you so much. I'd like to present you with these plaques in recognition of your achievement for the second time.
Down here, Chris.